What's up guys, today I thought I'd give you all an update on the CLA45s and the channel. Lots has happened, so let's get up to speed and then we'll have our first fun drive in the car in a while. Sorry for the small break in the videos, we had a lovely family holiday to France and just my luck, when we got home we'd caught a terrible cold which I think might have been from the plane. So that means the car has been sitting here for almost 4 weeks. Although the car was not dirty when we left, I've noticed the paint is covered in pollen and various elements. It had like a thick layer and it felt really rough to the touch. So I started to get a bit worried and yesterday I gave the car a quick wash. Then after that I noticed this lovely fella here at the back. That's right, that is a nail in the tyre and to be honest I have no idea how long it's been there. Luckily, I just ordered 4 new tyres for the car, so there will be a video on that soon too, with tips on what tyres to buy for your Mercedes. But for now, we've got to wait for the tyres to arrive. So I just want to make sure the tyre pressure is up, just in case there's any loss. So let's use my handy electric pump here to top it up. As you can imagine, sitting here for 4 weeks, the battery also got low too. So I just left the engine running for about 30 minutes, which seemed to do the trick, and I've noticed the low battery warning has now gone. Okay, so here we are finally back on the road, behind the wheel, driving the CLA45s. It's been over 3 weeks, I have not properly driven this car, so I thought I'd have you guys join me and experience it together, because we haven't really done a drive with me video for a while, so we're gonna have some fun. We're gonna pop the car in the sportiest settings as we do. In fact, let's do it first. It is a gorgeous day. The car is on point. We are currently in my individual drive mode, which is basically race mode. And I thought I would take advantage of this incredible road. Well, there's no cars in front of us. That exhaust at the back, I don't know if you can hear those pops. The only downside to this POV view is you cannot see the huge smile on my face right now. Here we are, we've caught up with the traffic now. So we're going to dial it down back to comfort mode, and I just really wanted to take this opportunity, guys, to tell you about some amazing content we've got coming and just all the exciting things for the channel. So of course the first thing I want to mention is we have got my first ever live event coming up this month, June the 24th, next weekend. It's going to be hosted by Mercedes Benz of Birmingham, which means we've got this fantastic setting where you guys will be able to test drive and some exciting AMGs. You'll get to meet me, we can chat about AMGs. You can bring your, please bring your cars. I'd love to see your cars and have a chat about them. Of course, you can see this car is going to be here. If you want to listen to the exhaust, see the modifications I've done. Oh, it's just going to be so fun. I really hope you guys can make it because I just can't wait to meet you all. And yeah, super excited. So we've got that event coming. There'll be more details on that event later in this video as well, just to confirm. And then I think I mentioned earlier in the video as well, I am getting 4 brand new tyres for this car, simply because I've done about 13,000 miles now, and it seems to be the mileage where the tyres need replacing, because all the tyres seem to be getting quite bare. And of course we've got a nail in one, so makes sense. And another reason why is I wanted 4 brand new tyres so I can make some proper content on launch control, which is also called race start if you're into your AMGs. And basically I want to do times 0 to 60 and see how fast this car can go 0 to 60 with a set of brand new tyres all around the car and launch control. So epic launch control content is coming as well. But hey, I'm going to stop chatting. I'm just going to take you guys for a super spin in my individual mode, which is basically race mode. So let's give it a go. Such a lovely day. Oh, it just feels so good to be back behind the wheel in this car. I missed it. The interior, the feeling of the steering wheel, this noise, and the extremely aggressive bangs. Just taking it out on a lovely sunny day down an epic road like this. What more could you ask for? So really, this video was also just to let you guys know that I am alive. I'm so sorry that I haven't posted. I think this is probably the longest I've been without posting video, because I try to post once a week, but you know, we had a lovely little family holiday, but we were so unlucky because on the plane back, it must have been, when we got back in England, we were so ill, and I've been desperate to film content. I just haven't been able to. But we're back now, and awesome videos are in the works. I can't wait to film them and share them with you all. We need to slow down now because we're entering a 30 zone. What do you think, guys? Should we have one more acceleration from standstill? Ready? Yep, the car is just as fast as I remember and just as dramatic. So there we have it, guys. That's my first drive in the CLA45s in over 3 weeks, along with a nice update on the channel. Sorry it's been so long. We really got wiped out by this cold when we got back from holiday. I'm super excited though. In 1 week we'll have our first ever ABAUTO live event hosted by Mercedes Benz of Birmingham. It's going to be lots of fun and everyone is welcome to come. I'll pop the details up on the screen now. For all my viewers across the world, I'm really sorry that this is a UK event and I can't have you all here, because I would love to meet you, but to make up for it, I'm going to try and make an awesome video of the whole day. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you can make it, I hope to see you next weekend at the event. Take care guys, I'll see you next time.